Welcome to Etheria. Important. This content is for education only and is not medical advice. Please talk to your healthcare provider for guidance that's right for you. Let's go over manual breast pumping in a calm and easy way. A manual pump is a great choice because you control everything. You set the speed, you set the pressure, and you don't need any batteries or power. It's quiet, portable, and super handy for moms on the go. First, let's get set up. Wash your hands thoroughly. Then double-check that all your pump parts are clean and fully sterilized. Try to sit somewhere quiet where you feel relaxed. That makes a big difference. Now place the flange gently on your breast so it creates a comfortable seal. Start with slow, soft pumps. This light rhythm helps your body know it's time and supports your milk flow naturally. When you see the milk start, find a steady pace that feels right for you. Remember, comfort is key. It should not be painful. If you feel discomfort, pause, breathe, and reposition the flange. There's no one perfect schedule. Most moms pump for around 10 to 15 minutes on each side. You can pump between feeds, first thing in the morning, or at whatever time works for you and your baby. After you're done, pour the milk into a clean bottle or storage bag right away. Add the date and store it in the fridge according to safe storage guidelines. Mama, your journey is your own. There's no right or wrong way. You're learning, you're doing your best, and that's enough. For more down-to-earth mom tips, follow Etheria. We're with you every step.